Nababasa niyo ba? Huwag niyo sasabihin na malakas para hindi niyo marinig. Ito, subukan ko parang dito siya mapupunta eh. Okay?
Teka, hindi ko nababasa.
Sige, hawakan mo na lang. Tapos, huwag niyong ipapakita sa kanya. So, come here. What's your name again? Chris. Okay, Chris. Nakikita ko naman sa'yo na you are very intellectual. Parang, kung mag-decide ka, pag mag-decide ka para kang engineer, yes? Parang, iniisip mo kung paano nangyayari yung mga bagay-bagay. Kunyari, food. May food sa harapan mo, iniisip mo kung paano siya ginawa. Yes? Like cellphone. Tingnan mo yung cellphone, ano ba yung specs nito? Parating gano'n, diba? Gusto mo, decide ka, gusto mo sure ka. Decide ka, gusto mo mga 5 days pinag-iisipan mo muna siya bago ka mag-decide na yun yung tama for you. Diba? Pero mostly, decide ka, may parang humaharang sa gitna. Yes? Parang may humaharang, parang parating may decide ka, parang may ewan ko, parang hindi tama eh. Feeling mo hindi tama. Now, doon pumapasok yung imagination mo. Magaling ka, broad ka mag-think eh. Parang you always think outside the box. Now, tama ba? Okay. Now, I want you to use your imagination. Right now, use your imagination. Dito sa table, tingnan mo mabuti. Dito sa table, maglalagay ako ng 3 imaginary coins. 3 imaginary coins. The 1 peso coin, the 25 centavo coin, and the 5 peso coin. Visualize it. This is 25 and 1. Okay, 5, 25 and 1. Okay. With your right hand, I want you to take 1 coin. What's that? 5. Is there any way na manipulate kitang in choosing the 5 peso coin? Is there any way that I manipulated you in choosing the 5 peso coin? Right now. Is it your own choice? It's your own choice. Okay. Now I want you to use your imagination. Toss the 5 peso coin and catch it. Do it and catch it. Use your imagination. Look, did it land heads or tails? What? Heads. Heads. Okay. Is there any way that I manipulated you in choosing heads? No. So again, recap. He chose the 5 peso coin and it turned heads. Okay. Loud and clear, ano yung sinulat ko?
5 peso coin.
Celebrities, sa mga businessmen, nagpakita ako ng mentalism. Tapos sa Sunday, lalabas ako sa QTV 11 2 Stories. Nag-remote viewing ako